Pakistani health authorities have initiated emergency preparedness measures to secure pharmaceutical supplies in response to the suspension of trade ties with India, according to the media report on Saturday. Also, in response to India's decision to suspend the Indus Water Treaty following the Pahalgam attack, the Islamabad on Thursday suspended all the trade with the New Delhi, among other moves. Also, Geo News have reported that India's trade that is halted triggered the urgent measure to secure pharmaceutical needs in the Pakistan, and health authorities have initiated the emergency preparedness measures to secure the supplies. The Drug Regulatory Authorities of Pakistan, that is DRAP, has performed that also has been formal notification regarding the ban impact on the pharmaceutical sector. Contingency plans are already in place, it said. Following the 2019 crisis, we had started preparing for such contingencies. Also, we are now actively looking at alternative avenues to meet our pharmaceutical needs, the report quoted a senior DRAP official as saying. Currently, Pakistan relies on India for 30 to 40% of their pharmaceutical raw material, including the API, that is active pharmaceutical ingredients, and various advanced therapeutic products. With the supply chain distributed, DRAP is seeking alternative sources from Russia, China, and several European countries. The agency aimed to ensure the continuous availability of essential medical supplies, including the anti-rabies vaccines, anti-snake venom, cancer therapies, monoclonal antibodies, and other critical biological products. While the DRAP's preparedness offer some reassurance, also industry insiders and the health experts have warned of a looming challenge if the immediate action is not taken to manage the fallout of the trade suspension. Pakistan imports, that is some 30 to 40% of its pharmaceutical raw material from India. We also import finished products, most importantly anti-cancer therapies, biological product, vaccines, and sera, especially anti-rabies vaccine and anti-snake venom from India, a senior official from the Ministry of National Health Service Regulation and Coordination said, requesting anonymity. Also, the Ministry of Health has yet to receive an official directive clarifying the status of the pharmaceutical imports, despite the government's blanket announcement suspending all the trade with India. The pharmaceutical sector fears the disruption in the supply chain that could lead to critical shortages. Also, the supply and the situation that is further complicated by the existence of a robust black market, that is where the unregistered and unapproved medicine are smuggled into the Pakistan through the Afghanistan, Iran, Dubai, and even across the eastern borders, and have also been said by the reports. While these channels fill gaps left by the legal imports, they offer no guarantees of quality or consistent supply. A delegation of the pharmaceutical industry leader traveled to Islamabad on Thursday to appeal for an exemption